manipulation window. We are it again. So what's going on, everybody? So I wanted to kind of take some of my camera shot videos to a different level, and I wanted to mount my Osmo here on my sling pack I have, and use that and walk around, and so you kind of have a first-person view of what I'm looking at. Well, the problem being is the Osmo is a little tall, especially with the mounting thing that you need to put it in place, and it's a little bulky. So I think I need to find a different solution to do that style of video. And I think I have it. Let's talk about it. So here we go. Osmo on chest. So the screen ends up facing away from you. So you really can't see anyway, but it sticks out substantially. And if you're trying to manipulate your hands, take a photo, it kind of gets in the way. So I ordered a GoPro Hero 7 Black. And we're going to go to Best Buy and pick it up right now because it's ready.
I really do love the Osmo. It is a fantastic camera handheld, but its size and the sensitivity to the gimbal makes me kind of wonder when I'm going first person with it, especially the way it has to be mounted. So that's kind of my reasoning behind getting the GoPro. So let's, we're in the car, when they start it up, well, it's already on. I drive a Nissan Leaf, it's a little quiet. So we're gonna head to Best Buy, pick it up, and we're gonna go from there. Talk to you soon. Ooh, all right. In and out. Gotta love curbside pickup. So, yeah. We got it. Let's get it home, get it set up, and we'll see what we can do with it.
All right, so here it is. The GoPro Hero 7 Black. Big camera up front. It's got a front display, so if you're looking at yourself, you realize what you're doing recording-wise. This side, we've got the charging door, as well as the micro. We got USB Type-C and the micro HDMI. Bottom, we've got the small speaker, as well as your battery door with the micro SD card slot. I've got 128 gig in there. Got your record button on the top. On the back, the giant, massive LCD touchscreen. Press and power it on there so you can see it. On that side, you got your power button. So there it is. So this looks to be a much better fit for the smaller application I'm looking for. It came with a nice little mount with the small outside. You can clamp it in there. We're going to clamp this on the bag and see how it looks. And there it is. I do like it. A lot slimmer profile, a lot lower, so my hand's a little more free to not bump and have to worry about bumping the gimbal. And what you thinking? Oh no, you can't see the screen on this either. There's the caveat. Check this out. On the GoPro app, you can almost live monitor and see exactly what the camera is seeing at any given time. So there's a huge advantage with the GoPro where I can start the entire recording and everything and see exactly what my GoPro sees before I hit record. I hit record and I go about my shooting. So that is a huge advantage with the GoPro, with the software and the camera itself over the DJI Osmo. The Osmo is still going to be my handheld camera of choice, but if I'm on the go mounted, it's going to be this GoPro 7. So let's take this out in the field. Let's wait until it gets a little cooler here and darker here in Vegas, and I'm going to grab the 30mm and go shoot some stuff.
Yo, what's going on, everybody? We're about to do the dang thing, you know. Hit Fremont here, masked up, ready to go. This is shot on the Hero. We're going to clip this onto the sling pack I use for taking pictures, and we're going to walk around, and you're going to see what I see, and here we go.
What's all going on, guys? So somebody forgot to push record on the GoPro. I'm not going to mention any names, but it rhymes with the Bionic Scoop. So unfortunately, I didn't get everything I wanted from Fremont. But it's almost a blessing in disguise, because what happened was my Sigma 56mm came in. So I put that on the A6000, grabbed the GoPro, which we're shooting on right now, and we took ourselves all the way down to the strip. So here's a little walk around and some of the good shots I got. Enjoy.
One eternity later.
Let's go back to aperture. For that shot. Well, that's gonna about do it. 56 is a tough focal length, but I got some pretty good shots. So be it for me, leaving the Excalibur here in Vegas, heading home. Take care.